All right, check it out. It's going to be something you're going to want to pick up if you make a lot of salads or peel a lot of potatoes, or Julienne, really anything in here. This is an all stainless steel Julienne peeler slicer. Just this thing is incredible. First thing you'll notice is it's all stainless steel. There's no plastic on it, nothing to bend, nothing to break in your hand. Also makes it easy on cleanup. You can just throw it in the dishwasher. It also does have a brush that they send with it so that you're not trying to pick particles out of this while you're using it, which I think is a nice little touch. On the sides, you actually have these little coring devices so that as you're peeling potatoes and stuff, you can get the eyes of the potatoes out. It's just a nice little touch that they added on these that is appreciative. And you've got your one side with your typical blade for, you gotta be careful because these are sharp. Your one side for slicing or peeling, and then you got your other side for Julienne. And it just works great. If you are looking for a good way to make some salads, if you are cooking a lot and julienning a lot of vegetables or peeling a lot of vegetables, look, it's made with all stainless steel. It's sharp. It's well designed. What more could you ask for in something like this? I think you should check it out. I think you're going to end up loving it.